I actually grew up in a house where there was art hanging. Art has always been part of me. I was an illustrator in the Army, so as the years went by and we owned an art gallery, we really just started buying art left and right and have never stopped. I'm Dorsey Taylor, and I still run an art gallery downtown, Lindor Arts. Well, we bought it when we were first married. I had just gotten out of the Army, and I think the house was built in approximately 1930. And it's a little Cape Cod, little cottage.
What are some of your favorite memories of this place?
Oh gosh. This house has all my history. I've opened businesses from here. I've had 3 kids here, and we love it. We decided a long time ago to make this permanent. Not our just first starter home and move on, but it's our nest. Well, after being so pleased with my Andersen windows, I decided to get a new front door and update our house. So we are in the process of.
Today, we are installing one of our brand new Renewal by Andersen ensemble doors, and we're putting it into a porch that has been converted into a living space. So the frame is a little bit unconventional, but we are going to get this door installed, and it's going to be beautiful when we finish. My name is Mark Madison. I am the Installation and Operations Supervisor for Renewal by Andersen of Roanoke. We show up, we prep the opening, double check to make sure everything is going to work. Then we remove the old door. In this instance, we'll be installing the new door. Once you get the new door in, we'll make sure that it's plumb level and square, and then we will apply the interior and exterior trims to get it to finish out looking and operating both functionally correct and the way the customer wants it to be. Older homes have a lot of character, and we're able to do our renovations, remodel, and keep those houses character so that you can come into the modern era as far as energy efficiency and usage, code compliance, those types of things. But we can keep the character of your house in that process. Like I've said before, there is no other company I'd rather deal with than Andersen. It's just, Renewal has it all. They have our windows, they have our doors, they have our trust.
We have a key.
We can lock our front door. I love it.